Welcome to Obi Family Lifestyle, a place where every moment brings a smile. Daily content full of joy and light. Family memories shining so bright. From morning routines to fun at home, little laughs in every episode. Real life moments, nothing to hide. Obi Family, love by your side. Obi Family Lifestyle, come and see, where every day feels warm and free. Daily content, family content, vibes so pure and excellent. Obi Family Lifestyle, Obi Family. Capture moments that make life sweet. Family love steady on repeat. From little lessons to home-cooked meals, every emotion is something you feel. We grow together, step by step. Memories made that we won't forget. Smiles, surprises, fun everywhere. Obi Family showing we care.
Together we rise, together we shine. Every new day